Let's talk about suicide. Does this make you feel uncomfortable? Although suicide is currently perceived as a taboo topic in today's society, in the next 3 minutes, I'm going to explain why talking about suicide may help reduce this public health issue. Currently, someone dies by suicide every 11 minutes in the United States. More disturbing is that adolescent suicide rates have increased by 85% over the past 10 years. With additional stressors in today's society, such as COVID-19, addressing adolescent suicide is more important today than ever before. In response to the increased suicide rates among adolescents, many suicide prevention programs have been developed. By educating adolescents about the risk factors and warning signs associated with suicide, these programs aim to increase help-seeking behaviors and ultimately decrease suicide rates among youth. Although many of these prevention programs are currently being widely disseminated, many have yet to be well studied, and this is where my research interests lie. An example of one of these programs is called Life Act, and it's currently being implemented in middle and high schools across 18 counties in Northeast Ohio. One specific research question that I sought to address throughout my work was, how do students respond to the Life Act program? To answer this question, I conducted a case study of the Life Act program. This involved observing the delivery of the program and conducting interviews with both the Life Act instructor and the school guidance counselor. From my observations and interviews, I coded my notes and transcripts using 2 types of qualitative coding. Overall, I found that students were in general unsurprised by the material. However, they remained very engaged with the program. More importantly, I found that help-seeking behaviors increased after students were exposed to the program. Based on this preliminary work, the impact of these suicide prevention programs is definitely worth exploring more. In the future, I hope to expand on my research by studying the effectiveness of these suicide prevention programs on the suicidal behaviors of youth. So, let's talk about suicide. Although it may be uncomfortable, doing so may help reduce this public health crisis. Thank you.